Everyone, this is Coach Julio and hope you are well. So I wanted to do a really quick video, ideally underneath 2 minutes, about kettlebell swings and not confusing them with a kettlebell squat. A kettlebell swing, again, is hip dominant, not a squat. So what I see more often than not in videos and even trainers prescribing kettlebell swings, they're doing this. Now I have to lean on the fact that maybe they don't know what they don't know, but if you're watching this video going forward, you will know how to do a kettlebell swing. And if you need more assistance, feel free to reach out, send me a message, and I also have a full-length video on kettlebell swing in YouTube. All right, so basically, here's the setup. This again is an express tutorial. When you have a kettlebell swing, we should never feel our lower back. It's hip dominant, and yes, it is gonna work your whole body, specifically your posterior chain. So notice the kettlebell is in front of me. From this position, I reach for it. Right here, I am engaged. I feel my hamstrings, my glutes, everything. My back is flat. I take a deep inhale. Smell the roses, important. Look at my neck, neutral. From here, I pull, and then up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And then I return it gracefully. So what you did not probably see was the fact that at the top of the swing, the bottom part of that bell is facing the wall. So that's the bottom part. It's not going up or down. At the top of the swing, I'm squeezing my butt and I'm able to pull back my shoulder blades and even pull them down a little bit. So that was a swing that about basically parallel, and my arms are parallel to the floor. There's another variation, which is a shorter swing where my elbows are allowed to bend and slightly away from the body. So see that? Smell the roses, pull back, boom, 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 and then dismount. So once again, the breathing is the same. It's still a hip dominant. I'm not going up and down. Think forward, back. And that's my express tutorial. Hopefully I did this under 2 minutes. I'm not sure, a little bit over. Let me know what you think. Post your comments.